In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix call recording not showing or working on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Apple officially blocks call recording in a massive list of territories due to local privacy laws. And crucially, it's actually completely unavailable throughout the entire European Union, as well as countries like South Africa, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, and India. So, if your device or region is set to an unsupported country, then it's just simply not going to work. Your phone would have to be on a region that is, allowed, like United Kingdom or United States or anything like that. And this would force the toggle to materialize instantly. But what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application, then go all the way to apps at the very bottom, then scroll down even more, and then go ahead and find P, and then go over to phone. So I'm just going to go over to P, go over to your phone app, like so. And then once you're in it, go ahead and find call recording, which is going to be one of the options. So go ahead and scroll through and then go ahead and find it. And it's going to be called audio call recording. And this allows you to use the phone app to record a conversation during the call and transcribe it in notes. And an audio notification will automatically play before recording begins. As you can see, audio call recording is currently on for me. And then if it's not working or anything, you can just turn it off, wait 10 seconds, and then turn it on again. And then you should be good to go. Now, you also have to be running iOS 18.1 or later, so make sure you check that too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.